Good evening. In today's session, we'll be discussing regarding DPIIT, and we'll also discuss one international organization that is called Five Eyes. Five Eyes. What are these nations, first of all? Tomorrow it may be a question in the examination. Which of the following countries are the members in Five Eyes? Or which of the following countries are not the members of the Five Eyes? So you should be able to recognize this. So look at this. If you look at, five nations: USA, Canada, UK. I repeat: USA, Canada, UK. Australia and New Zealand. USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. These are all the five nations that are part of the Five Eyes. But why we are discussing about this now? This is because this group wants India to be a member of this, and the proposals have reached to India, and very soon India may also become a member of this particular group. That is the reason why it is there in the news. And of course, along with India, other country, that is Japan may also become a member. Please remember, as of today, you got five members in this, and it may become seven with the inclusion of India and Japan. That's the reason why it is there in the news. Fine. So now I'll be opening the document. I'll show you the points. Let's have the discussion now. Look at this. The first one: Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade functions under Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade functions under. So we know that under Government of India, you got various ministries. Under each ministry, you got departments. Right? Now the question is that, so this DPIIT functions under which ministry? Ministry of Labor, Ministry of HRD, Ministry of Finance, or Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Please remember, it is always there in the news. This is the department that functions under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, meaning option 4 is the answer for this particular question. Very frequently, when you are reading the newspaper, you will come across with this particular department. Now, we'll be moving ahead. Look at this. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade is a central government department under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next point. What is the responsibility of this department? It is the responsibility for the formulation and implementation of promotional and development measures for growth of what? Industrial sector, keeping in view the national priorities and socio-economic objectives. Kindly remember one thing: whatever may be the government takes a decision and implements a decision, everything should be related to the socio-economic objectives, meaning ultimate aim of the government is to reach or attain the socio-economic objectives of the nation. Next, while individual administrative ministries look after the production, distribution, development and planning aspects of specific industries allotted to them, DPIIT is responsible for the overall industrial policy. That is the reason why we frequently come across with the DPIIT. Am I clear? It is also responsible for facilitating and increasing the FDI flows to the country. Very, 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 very important. So you must remember what is DPIIT, under which ministry does it function, and what are the objectives, and what are all the responsibilities of this particular ministry. Right? So now we'll be moving ahead. Look at this now. So here is the question. Which of the following country is not a member in Five Eyes intelligence? So the question is that which of the following country is not a member? So in the beginning only I told you USA, UK, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. Fine. So out of this group, 5, 3 have been given here and 1 is not a member. By looking at the options, you can identify very easily. As of now, India is not a member. Proposals are going on, and tomorrow, if India becomes a member, Japan becomes a member of Five Eyes, then obviously that may become a possible question in any forthcoming examination. Right? So here option C should be the answer because India is not a member in Five Eyes intelligence. Look at this. The Five Eyes is an intelligence alliance consisting of Australia, Canada, the UK, New Zealand and the United States of America. And these countries are the parties to the UK USA agreement. What is this agreement? This agreement is a multilateral agreement for what? For cooperation in signal intelligence, in military intelligence, in human intelligence. Very, 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 very important. So UK USA agreement is an agreement for cooperation in signal intelligence, military intelligence and human intelligence among these nations. Is that okay? So recently, the foreign ministers of these countries called on China to reinstate the disqualified elected legislators in Hong Kong. Regarding Hong Kong, we have discussed, this a few days back. What is happening in Hong Kong, how China is completely dominating Hong Kong now. All these things we have discussed in the earlier classes. Now, from here we'll be going ahead and kindly remember, so this is the Five Eyes, right? And India, as of now, India is not a member. Japan is a member. So once India becomes a member, we need to update, right? Next, another important one. Every year, the World AIDS Day is observed on. Every year we are discussing this. Every year we are also discussing, in fact, this is on December 1st every year. So option A is the answer. Kindly remember, the world is observing World AIDS Day on December 1st since the year 1988. So since that particular year, every year December 1st is being observed as World AIDS Day. Look at this. World AIDS Day is observed on December 1st. The day is being observed since 1988. Please remember this one. It is observed. Why you are observing? To create an awareness against the spread of HIV infection. Alright? And this is one of the 11 official global public health campaigns by WHO. Very, 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 very important. Okay, I told you already, WHO is located in Geneva in Switzerland. Please remember this. Right? And have a look at this one. Look at this. So this is the theme of December 1st, that is World AIDS Day of 2020. What is the theme? The theme is ending the HIV AIDS epidemic, resilience and impact. Please remember, there may be a question, they may ask you, What is the theme of World AIDS Day of 2020? Answer is ending the HIV AIDS epidemic, resilience and impact. Look at this. Each year, organizations and individuals across the world bring attention to the HIV epidemic, endeavor to increase HIV awareness and knowledge, speak out against HIV stigma, and call for an increased response to move towards AIDS free society. Kindly remember each and every point. Another very important one. You must have heard about this. In which of the following states Hornbill Festival is celebrated? Hornbill Festival. In fact, this is called Festival of the Festivals. Is it okay? And this is celebrated in northeastern part of India, and very specifically the question is regarding in which state this festival is celebrated. Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland or Assam. Please make a note. Answer is option C, that is Nagaland. Look at this. This is called Festival of Festivals. This is a 10-day annual culture fest of Nagaland that showcases the rich and diverse Naga ethnicity through folk dances, traditional music, local cuisine, handicraft, art, workshops, etc. So whenever it takes place, that is very much there in the news. That's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much for being with me. Take very good care. Thank you.